So it's about 100 degrees outside. Perfect day to put together this new Team Associated Enduro Builder's Kit. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I picked up the Team Associated Enduro 1/10 scale off-road builder's kit. And because it's so hot outside, I thought today would be the perfect day to go ahead and try to get it together. Now of course this is from Team Associated. This is their crawling brand called Element. And I was very curious and very excited to try out something new. This kit also out of the box has some options for overdrive. For the front you can do a 5.7 option 1. It's a 1-to-1 drive ratio, and option 2, which overdrives the front 11.83%. Optional links are included. You can choose between 12.3, 12 inches, and 11.8 inches. And the steering link is actually behind the axle. They call it BTA, and it improves the approach angle. On the side of the box you have all the specs. It is a 3-link front with a 4-link rear. 4-wheel drive, of course, with a 48-pitch gear. Threaded aluminum shock bodies, and recommended environment, Mother Earth. On the inside of this kit, kind of have a whole scale garage thing set up on the inside of the box. Pretty cool looking. And you have your various parts bags, your links, frame rails, axles, knuckles, looks like the floor pans, all that good stuff, the drive shafts, your shocks, which actually have aluminum caps and it looks like aluminum bottoms. Very cool. Battery tray, another axle, bearings, the transmission, and gears. These transmission gears are metal. They are very heavy duty. They feel real nice. Should hold up plenty good in the trans. And your axle gears are metal as well. These shocks look nice. They have a metal body to them, a lightweight aluminum. The shocks I've heard, the actual springs I've heard, are a little stiff. They don't feel too bad, but once I get it together I'll be able to judge a little better. The blue anodized caps and the bottoms look nice. And your drive shafts actually have a metal insert, whereas your axial SCX 10.2 has a plastic sort of insert for their wild boars. That plastic would always tend to like twist up and really ruin the drive shaft. This one's metal, so very curious on this design. Can't wait to try this one out. The manual looks pretty nice. It's got a lot of detail on the directions. Once I get into building this, I'll see how good, how accurate everything is. And there are some stickers that are included with the Element logo, a few different logos, this and that. Last but not least, they do include the shock fluid. They also include some assembly grease. Probably will use the Cal RC grease that I do have, but it is nice that they included some grease and some shock fluid. Alright guys, so this is my project on this hot and steamy day. I'll be sure to update my progress as I build. Please post any comments, questions, all that good stuff below. And as always, if you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. I will see everyone soon.